Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and in the settings you need to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and find this eye comfort shield, and you can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher and your device will immediately apply it. You can see that the screen is a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. You can customize it, just tap on eye comfort shield, and here we've got this adaptive option which is automatic, so I'll just omit that. I mean, it is based on the time of the day and your device will automatically manage the screen color. So let me focus on custom, where you can actually change the color temperature. Right now we are right in the middle, so by going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. It is almost orange. You can set the schedule also, so you can keep it always on, which is the manual option. You need to manually turn this option on and off, I mean the eye comfort mode. You can also set it from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, so you need to grant the permission to access the location, so just tap on turn on while using the app all the time. Okay, and you can also choose a custom, which means that you can pick the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. I will set it on always on. So basically this is the customization, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. And let's unroll it fully to find the eye comfort shield, which is right here. Just tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.